Process of getting admission for MBBS in Nepal. In this video, let me explain you the step-by-step process of you to get admission for MBBS in Nepal. First of all, you need to be eligible, that is NEET qualification is mandatory as per NMC, because you cannot come back to India and work if you are not qualified your NEET. Secondly, you need to have 50% in your physics, chemistry and biology, and age category must be 17 years must be completed. You choose NMC approved universities with WHO listed colleges and with good clinical exposure. Popular medical colleges in Nepal includes Manipal Medical College, Kathmandu Medical College, Noble Medical College, Birath Medical College, KIST Medical College and many more. Choose wisely before you decide on the fees and the facilities. The next step of the admission process, you will need your 10th, 12th marks card, NEET scorecard, Aadhaar or passport and medical fitness certificate. Now apply through direct counseling through authorized consultant that you reserve your seat. Some universities have entrance examination or merit-based scholarship. If not, it is direct admission through NEET scorecard. After the selection process is completed, you will receive an admission letter or offer letter from the university. Post which, pay your first installment fees, get the documents ready and confirm your admission. Good news for the Indian students is no passport required, Aadhaar works too, no visa and similar climatic conditions, direct flights available, and the fees approximately is about 45 to 60 lakhs, much lower than the Indian medical colleges. Then the hostel allotment begins, orientation or white coat ceremony is being fixed, and then the class begins. For smoother process for MBBS admissions in Nepal, contact Brainwave Consultancy today.